This clip, captured by the Parker Solar Probe, showcases the planets from the Sun's perspective, featuring the Milky Way, Mars, Earth, Venus, Saturn, and Jupiter. The waves and distortion visible in the clip are from charged particles emitted by the Sun, launched by NASA in 2018. The Parker Solar Probe's mission is to observe the outer corona of the Sun. It holds the title of the fastest object ever built, traveling at a staggering speed of 191 kilometers per second. The probe's next flyby is scheduled for September 2024. Thank you for watching. Please help us grow by liking and subscribing. It's just a click away.